Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we have a great pair of headphones I want to take a look at from Mixcder. So let's get into the unboxing of the Model E9 active noise cancellation headphones. I'm really looking forward to testing these out, and they've come out at a great time because I am taking a trip abroad next week and we're going to be able to test them out. So on the front here, very clean, clear packaging. We've got a design of the headphones itself. Down here at the bottom, you've got active noise cancellation, wireless headphones. You've got Model E9, and they are available in the US and the UK, and the link will be in the description to the website. So in the US, they're going to cost $79.99 dollar-wise, and in the UK, they're about $73.91, or you could call it £74, which is a great price. The link will be in the description, so make sure you go and check that out. One thing I want to highlight here as well is just saying about environmental products. It's great to see that they're always thinking about the environment. So it has 6 highlighting features here that I want to talk about. It has active noise cancellation technology built inside, around 30 hours of playback time, so that's going to be really good to test out. It offers large drivers of about 40 millimeters, has wireless and wired connection, an adjustable and foldable design, and a compact carry case as well. Just before we get into the unboxing, on the rear you're going to find detailed information that we're going to go through in greater detail once we've got it actually unboxed. So at the top there's just a little tab that will just come out. Here is a compact carry case, and it's hard shell, which is nice. It's going to offer support for your headphones and safety when traveling. On the front here you've got Mixcder branding, and then you just have a tab as well here, so you can hook this on something if you so wish to. But then let's just undo our zip here. So sat in here, you will see first of all the headphones, and then we've got a package in here. Inside the packaging, you're going to find a user manual here, so it's going to have all the helps and tips you need. Then you have a thank you for purchasing. With our cables, one thing I do like to see here is an aeroplane connection. So if you are going on an aeroplane and you want to use the in-flight entertainment system, you can plug in these headphones with active noise cancellation as well. That's going to be really handy. You then have a 3.5 to 3.5mm headphone jack either side here to plug in, and you can use the wired connection, as I said, if you don't want to use a wireless connection. Then finally, you have micro USB to USB for charging the battery that's inside the headphones. It's a 500 mAh battery. So taking a look at the headphones themselves, look very high quality materials on here. Looks very thick and very comfortable to wear. I'm going to be road testing these out as I'm going to Paris next week on the Eurostar, and the active noise cancellation will be really nice and handy to have. On the side here you do have branding again. You have different textured design, as you know, being registered blind, I like that. You have a nice large active noise cancellation button here on the side, which is good. I'm really pleased to see that. You also have your 3.5 headphone jack. On the other ear cup you then have volume up and down, again very large, very nice to see, especially from an accessibility point of view. You have your micro USB there for charging up your headphones, an LED light, and also you have your power button as well. Again, they feel very sturdy and very well made. On the band inside here you've got an L, and then on the other side you have got an R there to know which side is which. Or if you want to remember, your active noise cancellation is on the left hand side, and your power and your volume control is on the right hand side. So that is how I will most probably know. As they said, they're very adjustable, and also they do have a folding design as well. So if you need to fold them away, you can, which is very nice and easy to do. You can put them in the carry case as well and go away with them. So first of all, bringing in my Android device, let's get them connected up so we can actually hear some music. We're going to hit that power button. So I heard it say power on. So pull down, we're going to go to Bluetooth, which is this one here. So click, press and hold. It's going to launch up Bluetooth, and then you should see the headphones come up here. There we go, Mixcder E9. You've got a red and blue flashing light on the headphones as well. It's now said connected, and as you can see here, it's moved into connected. So that is the headphones all set up and connected to go, which is great. And also you can then change and adjust your volume. You've got the active noise cancellation, which I want to now talk about. So with the active noise cancellation off, you'll get 30 hours of playtime. With it on, you'll get 24 hours. That is really impressive. So one of the longest flights, you're gonna be fine with these if you want the active noise cancellation. So it's very impressive there. I'm really looking forward to testing them out. So let's get them on and see how they feel. Other things that I just want to highlight here is when the ANC is on, you will see a blue light there, so you know it's on. So with these being Bluetooth and wireless, you can walk away from your device. So when you're outdoors, that's 33 meters, but when you're indoors, that's 49 meters. So we're going to really try and test that out and see how well they hold up. So now I've flipped the camera around, I can actually show you the headphones itself and what they actually look like on. So putting them on my head, I hope you can still hear me and I don't shout too loud. They actually feel very comfortable, so it feels and covers my ears. If I turn to the side, then turn to the other side as well, you can see it covers my ears and it's very impressive. So I've got the Honor View 20 just here, and it's beautiful backing. If you haven't seen the video yet for this, go and check out the Honor View 20. So it's connected up to this and it remembers straight away from the pairing session we done earlier. So I've gone into the Google Play Store here and just play some music, and I can turn on the active noise cancellation on. I can definitely hear a difference. There is a difference there, but the comfortability of these are very good. They feel very sturdy as well. They don't feel very flimsy on my head at the moment. So they are adjustable as well. You can see it fits my head reasonably well, but I can pull and adjust this if I so wish to. You can then change and maneuver depending if you want one cup on, one cup off. I'm putting around your neck as well. Some people pull them out a little bit more so they can actually feel comfortable around their neck and it's not like squeezing them in. But they're mainly for using on your head, and listening to music seems really good. It seems quite bassy. The volume levels are okay. I like my music quite loud when I'm listening and on the go. It does offer 94 decibels, which is very loud, but sometimes people prefer it a little bit louder. So with the ability of using up to 24 hours with active noise cancellation, you're not going to be disturbed, and I'm looking forward to testing them out. This has been the unboxing and first look at the Mixcder E9 headphones here. The link will be in the description, and they do look very nice. They look quite stylish as well. I'm looking forward to testing them out and about, and obviously when I'm taking my trip as well. If you do have any questions or queries, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated for all my latest videos. From me, Ricky, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.